Hey guys, I'm Ambi. I'm a beauty influencer and I'm also the owner of a very popular skincare line here in Atlanta named Pretty Biznez. I'm originally from New York. I've lived in Atlanta for over 15 years. I have two boys. I started my company 6 years ago. It was only for me, and it turned out to now be for everyone else. I started off with just a beauty cream that I sold in a Chinese food soup container. I have now added over 8 products to my skincare line. Now I offer skincare regimens for particular skincare conditions that men and women suffer from. Some of the skincare conditions that I could assist with would be dark spots and blemishes, uneven skin tone, which is like hyperpigmentation. Some of our clients, they get hyperpigmentation in areas that don't get much air. Your inner thighs, for some women, that's a common area where it'll be fairly darker than some other parts of your body. Your underarms, that's another area that's really common to be darker than the other parts of your body as well. Another part, if you're a heavyset woman or male, and right in your bosom area between the breast, the cleavage area, and under your breast, those are areas that are common to have hyperpigmentation. Once you have any of the skincare issues that I mentioned, we have something for you. We have soaps that are paired with special gloves. We have creams that are paired with special products. We have serums that are paired with special products as well to assist you with lightening areas that are darker than the rest of your skin tone from hyperpigmentation. I know you'll be pleased. One thing I must stress is consistency. I love my regimens because it's so easy. One regimen that I really enjoy is the SKINSUAL Face and Body Kit. This regimen is so simple because it involves water and soap. And that's something that we do every single day anyway. How simple could it get? You'll be surprised what your skin would look like after 4 uses of using our beauty bars, our brightening soaps. My favorite soap is the exfoliating brightening soap because it's like an all-in-one tool. I love that soap. I do use the soap with my exfoliating gloves and I lather it up. I would take the glove and I would scrub my body, scrub everywhere. My hands, I would exfoliate about 2 times in the shower, all over. I would definitely pay attention to the areas that are darker than the rest. I want to show you guys a before picture. When I show you guys this picture, I'm in no way saying that I was never beautiful. I was gorgeous and you can tell, but I was fairly obese. That caused a lot of hyperpigmentation all over my body. My neck. I've always had acne-free skin and beautiful soft skin, but my neck was so uneven. But I would hear comments like, oh my gosh, your neck's dark. I mean, you're not taking great showers. You're not taking good showers. You need to wash your neck. And I'm just like, only if they knew I'm a freaking neat freak. Like showers, I don't lack that. So it's like, I've been through it with the hyperpigmentation on my neck. Then it was the hyperpigmentation between my breasts. That also was a combination of eczema. Then there was the hyperpigmentation between my thighs. It was something that I didn't even know was a problem, or I didn't make it a problem. And I didn't make it a problem because I never compared myself to anyone. It wasn't until like I was in the dressing room, I don't remember who was with me, but I tried on a bathing suit and I'm like, hey, take my picture from back, from the back. And when I turned around, all behind my legs were a total different complexion from the front of my legs. And then it was going around. My skin made, to me, the bathing suit not look appealing. So I immediately started to look for alternative ways to correct the problem. I wasn't new to bleaching at all. Like, my parents are Jamaican, my ancestors are Jamaican. So I knew that, one, I was taking showers. I knew that for sure. Two, I'm like, I'm not diabetic, the whole dark neck thing. I'm like, okay, there has to be something out here. I'm like, bleaching cream. Look, she done bleach her skin, he done bleach his skin. It worked for that. It done changed their complexion. So, like, let me go ahead and just use some bleaching cream. So I started using creams, and as I started using creams, I would see results. But the results weren't good enough for me, Then I started to build a regimen, build a system. That's when the beauty came. A part of my regimen was exfoliation. Like, what's beautiful skin without exfoliating, without removing the dead skin? And I also added toning soaps that would brighten the area. So while I'm exfoliating, I'm also brightening. Exfoliating, brightening, exfoliating, brightening. You know what I mean? And so every day, 2 times a day, because I took a shower in the morning and I took a shower again when I would come home from work. And that's my 2 times a day to get it in. I promise you. 2 days, I'm like, you're looking soft. Then, like, after a week, you started to notice, like, wait a minute. My knees, they aren't as dark. My neck isn't as dark as it used to. You start to realize, like, wow, my skin is really brightening. My skin is really becoming one skin tone. Everyone started to notice. What are you doing with your skin? What are you doing? Matter of fact, I don't even care. Give me some. I was so dedicated to my 9 to 5 that having a business or having a side hustle was not a part of the plan, and it's nothing that I actually pursued. That's what I did. I was focused on working corporate. I was so comfortable. Now I'm here, 4 years since leaving my corporate job. Our products are bought worldwide. I am not in any department stores, and honestly, I would always prefer if I wasn't. And it's because I like to have that personal relationship with my clients. That's what separates me from the rest. Like, I'm holding your hand. I'm here with you forever. We're always family. Once you start using a product and you no longer need it, then, like, we're still family. You keep the rest in a cool area, in a dark place, and you pull that baby out when you need it. There's so many things I want to talk about, but I'm not going to hold you guys. But I do want to come to you and just say thank you so much for inviting me into your lives. Thank you so much for sharing your email address with me. I'm going to make sure I keep you informed. I'm going to make sure I keep you updated on skincare tips, sales, new product releases, when we're coming to your city. And if we're ever doing anything local in Atlanta, I promise to keep you in the loop. I just want to make sure that you know that if you have any questions or concerns ever, I'm never too busy to read your email. I'm never too busy for my staff to read your email, because I'm not going to sit here and say I actually get to read your emails. I don't. but there is someone that's dedicated and that's very loyal to my brand that reads your emails and take every customer email seriously, just like I would. I want to let you know that if you were to submit your pictures, your inquiry, and you request assistance, we're here to help you. Okay? I know that you're in the right place. You're in the right place. You just have to be consistent. You have to follow our regimen. It's simple. It's so simple. You take showers every day. That's it. You put lotions on your skin every day. That's it. You don't have to wash anything off. After you put your beauty cream on or your luminous serum on, put your makeup on. Put your makeup on. Okay? Go ahead and slay the day, darling. Listen to your skin. Drink your water. Exfoliate. Do not over exfoliate. Read your skincare tips that we send you guys. And if you ever have any questions, we're here to assist you. Again, my name is Ambi, beauty influencer and owner here at Pretty Biznez. And I'm here to be a part of your skincare routine for as long as you want me to. You gave me your email address when you visited my website. Maybe you're still on the market shopping for products. If you should not find what you are looking for, send us an email. Send us a picture of your skincare concerns, and we'll definitely line you up with the appropriate products for your skin. I just wanted to say thank you so much for, again, giving me your address, and I'm hoping to see you guys again. Thank you. Bye-bye.